To install LG Smart TV apps, start by turning on your TV and ensuring it is connected to the internet. Next, press the home button on your remote control to access the menu. Then click on the LG Content Store icon, which is usually located on the left-hand side of the menu. From there, click on the search icon on the right-hand side of the new page. You can then type the name of the app you want to install using the on-screen keyboard and click the search key. Alternatively, you can browse through the list of available apps on the page to find the one you're looking for. Once you've found the app, highlight it and click OK. Then click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. After installation, you can access the app from the My Apps section on the home screen. The process is straightforward and easy to follow, allowing you to quickly install and start using your desired LG Smart TV apps.